My October IPSY bag is here. My September bag was late. I just got it like last week, so that's why these two videos are close together. And these are my birthday flowers from last week. They still look beautiful, don't they? Tell me happy birthday. Now let's see what's in this bag. October 2020 IPSY with add-on. Lovely. This was an add-on release. Matcha green tea and lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. Oh, I love sun, moon, stars. Radiant Glow highlighter. IBY Beauty. Eyeshadow. Isn't that cute? Tinted hydrator. And Orange Company Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion. You're magic. Cast a spell. October 2020. October IPSY bag. This is for hair. Tinted hydrator. Not much of a smell. I do like purple and browns. Those are pretty. Oh, what a pretty case. I know that highlighters are the rage. That's pretty. But I think I've gotten one in every IPSY bag. Probably good on those. That one's pretty. And the matcha green tea mask. Oh, that smells fresh. That smells fresh. I was about to toss my bag and found this. Isn't it lovely? That's fun. Contour brush. Lemon clay mask. And hydration, refresh and moisturize mask. No bad odor. It went on quite nicely and it feels good.
Here's my take on September's products. This is awesome. It feels so good. It really draws out some of the oiliness from my skin. I really do like that. I would purchase that again. This, no, has terrible odor. Smells like it's rancid. And I reviewed all of these on IPSY's website, but this is a big no. Maybe I got a bad batch, but ugh. This was great. I put a little bit of this on my nose. I have really big pores on my nose and bridge of my nose and on my cheeks. So I put a little bit on that. And then about 15 minutes later, when I put my makeup on, it seems like it really, really does help. This is a good product. This, I was surprised. If you are looking for coverage, this is it. I put this on with a sponge, and it stays all day long. Great coverage. It's not slimy. I have really oily skin, and this was a pleasant surprise. It's a little too light, but great product. Great product. This, I was so excited about this, the colors, but this ended up being a little too pinky on me. When I put it on my eyes, I look like I'm just sick. I can't wear anything that's remotely red or pinkish. I've been using these two colors, the mattes, and they seem to do okay. But those two colors just didn't work on me. Disappointed. The blush works great. I really like it. And the highlighter also works great. I'm using those every single day. So that's my report on my September IPSY bag. I wore the eyeshadow this morning from the October bag, and my students told me I look pretty. I looked better than this morning. This is after a full day of work and a full afternoon of work at home. But I was amazed at how easily the eyeshadow went on. It stayed put all day long, except for you can see where I've rubbed some of it off because it's been a long day. But I like the colors, I like the ease of putting on, and I like the staying power. This is after using the purple shampoo, which is usually very, very drying, in my first application of this. I blow dried my hair, put a curling iron to it, and it feels fabulous. I'm thinking that both of these are incredible products. This came with my IPSY bag. This I've already reviewed. Thanks for watching my October IPSY bag video. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video if appropriate. Probably not. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Thanks.